This video, it's basically gonna be about your horn that basically just when you blow the horn, you don't hear anything. So the best way to put it, just your horn is not working. So I'm using '05 Lincoln Aviator just to show you how to quickly, before you take your car to a mechanic and they're gonna charge you by the hour and make it sound like it's a long process, it's a hard job. So I'm gonna show you a little quick process you can just go through, and if it's something that has not to do anything with wiring, as far as electrical, anything damaged, that cause your horn not to work, so you can go ahead and fix it on your own. So basically what you're going to have to do, I already have my fuel box open, but the first thing you're going to have to do when that happens is basically get at your passenger side of the vehicle. So, and you're going to go ahead, and if you have the same option I have, because '05 Lincoln Aviator is basically the old model. If you have the new model, so you're going to have to look for where your hood at to open the hood latch. So you're gonna have to find it and then just open the hood. You don't need to turn the vehicle on for this process, so you're gonna have the vehicle off. You best bet have the vehicle off for this process. So just go ahead and have it off and pop your hood up. Vehicle, once I pop the hood up, you're gonna have that little latch right here, and just hold that with one hand and pop it up. And once you pop it up, you come over here. This is where my basically cover for my fuse box, so I gotta undo that. And unfortunately for me, all I have is numbers, so I don't have anything that says fuel boxes, anything like that. But some of the vehicles, the cover for the your fuel box will tell you exactly the fuses. It will say exactly on inside of fuel box if it's horns, if it's battery relay, fuse, whatever. But mine, unfortunately, just give me numbers. So with the numbers, I can't even do anything about it. I have to go through the book, for the vehicle to find out what the numbers mean. But another way you can do it, bypass the numbers, is make sure you have the key with you. So which means you have the key with you, just like this. So for instance, I already know where my fuel box is. As far as my horn, my relay for my horn is right here, because I already test all of them. Okay, so with the relay on, I can actually press the key. Okay, so now unlock it. So I'm gonna remove the relay for the this is for the horn. So I'm gonna remove the horn relay. It remove. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. Nothing. Right? So guess what? Now, if with the relay on, the relay placed in here in the spot, my horn would not work. So what I would have to do is remove the relay. If you look at the relay number, if I can zoom there real good. You're gonna see this number. Let me turn it around. If it turns. Okay, now just remember the number, the long numbers at the bottom, which end with a double A. B192 or BI, whatever that is. It looks like a B192 double A. So this relay right there is the same number. It ends with the same number. It's the same relay. B192 double A. So all you do, once you identify your problem, you grab that relay next to it and then place it in there, and then press your key. So therefore, you find out your problem is your relay is no good. A lot of time, this is how you can fix your own vehicle, your own problem, without taking it to a shop, where they're gonna charge you hundreds of dollars just for a simple thing like that, and they're gonna tell you that this is how much time it took because they had to do this and that, this and that. But you can go ahead before you take it to the shop, do that first. If after you done that, nothing happened, then you can determine what's the next thing you want to do, whether you want to take it to a shop. Thank you guys.